Hello, my dear children. How are you all doing today? I hope you are healthy, happy, and full of energy, just like always. Every time I meet you, whether it's online, I feel so proud to see you, how curious, creative, and talented you all are. Each one of you is truly special. You bring so much joy, laughter, and positivity wherever you go. And guess what? Children's Day is almost here. Yes, our very own day, dedicated completely to you, the amazing young minds who make the world brighter, smarter, and happier. To make this celebration super exciting, we have prepared a special surprise activity just for you. It's going to be full of fun, learning, and surprises. I promise you are absolutely going to love it. You are all invited to take part in the maths quiz conducted by Bhatia sir MathsWale. And the best part, it's super easy to join. Just click on the link in the description below and fill out the Google form carefully. It will take you only a few minutes. This will help me understand your learning progress and plan even more fun and creative sessions for you, like games, quizzes, challenges, and many more. Here are the important details. The deadline is 14th November 2025. So don't wait till the last moment. Certificates. Every participant will receive a certificate of appreciation right on your email or WhatsApp number. Isn't that exciting? You can proudly show it to your parents and teachers. Winners announcement. The winners will be revealed on 15th November at 5 p.m. Who knows, maybe your name will be called out. My dear children, remember, Children's Day isn't just about gifts or certificates. It's a celebration of you, your dreams, your kindness, and the endless sparkle you bring into this world. Each one of you has a special spark, a light that can make the world shine brighter. Whether you love dancing, drawing, reading, coding, helping others, or just spreading smiles, that's your magic. So never stop learning, never stop exploring, and most importantly, never stop believing in yourself. Now go ahead, click that link, join the quiz, and be part of our amazing Children's Day celebration. And don't forget to tell your friends, classmates, and cousins too. I can't wait to see your wonderful responses and celebrate with all of you on 15th November. Thank you so much for watching, dear children. Keep smiling, keep shining, and always remember you are loved, valued, and capable of amazing things. Once again, Happy Children's Day in advance. Take care, stay happy, and I will see you very soon with more fun and learning. Bye bye, everyone. Have a fantastic day. Thank you.